Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So otherwise, we have almost a perfect five-way pattern on both the euro dollar and the pound dollar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is also a higher time frame Fibonacci level. It definitely would make me think that this would go up and take out the high. Now, the only problem is if the US dollar really is a wave 3, which it kind of does look like it is, then this could possibly make a little three-way pattern and actually end up continuing back down. I think that is least likely because of the nice five-wave trend that we have. I would think that it would at least make a correction to this last move down and then continue down like that. Or if this possibly is a wave 5 or a wave C on the higher time frames, maybe it really will turn into a complete trend reversal. Right now, we need to look for the breaker structure to confirm the move up. Then we can throw a Fibonacci retracement on there and we can observe it to see if it makes a correction to the downtrend or if it's a trend reversal. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here to the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. Thanks, and happy trading.